Shut down or reset your computer. The following data might be compromised if you continue. Passwords, browser history, credit card information, local hard disk files. These viruses are well known for identity and credit card theft. Further action on this computer or any other device on your network might reveal private information and involve serious risks. Call Windows Technical Support. Internet.
Thanks for watching, guys. This is how you install Winrar 2020. Free, no virus, not patched, 100% legit, still works, and legal.